Hey, hi. Today we're going to look at how to use Card 2048. I myself actually installed it. It's a game which actually I've ever reviewed something like a year ago. And this game you actually just have to, you know, match some cards. And let me try to show you something a bit. Some cards which have the same colors. Now this one has this, something like that. Okay. Now, whenever you match the stuff, you are actually given some kind of some money. What we need to find out is how you withdraw this money out, or this is more of like game app money. Okay. As you're playing this game app, the question you have to do, you have to ask yourself is just you matching this game, this card, is it really worthy that money, $7 in real currency, or this is just game money? Okay, because as most cases, if you're kind of a person who's wondering like, okay, will I get this money really? You have to think about like, is what am I do whatever I'm doing, is it really worth the money? How are they benefiting? Because these games kind of benefit from ads. Okay, basically, when you look at card 2048, you actually, the only thing is actually card play. That is all. It's all about card play, and just matching cards really can't really give you the money, to be sincere, you get, to be direct with you. So, Catherine 48, when you read about the app on Play Store, these guys actually have a lot of users. They have more than 10 million downloads. Okay. When you read about the app actually doesn't really tell you to make money. It doesn't show like you already make any real money. When you read about Card 2048, they actually describe the experience of what you're going to enjoy in the game. At the beginning of the game, a series of cards with numbers will appear, which may be 2, 4, and they will be randomly appear at the various positions on the game interface, which is what is in the game. But they don't talk about anything like withdrawing the money. So what you have to know is the money that you earn in this app is actually virtual money. I understand when you click on withdraw money, you'll be presented with PayPal and Cash App. Okay. And the minimum is, I think, like $1,000, and another one is 2,000, or you can read up to 5,000. But all this is actually virtual money. It's not really real money. It's not like you're going to reach 1,000 and you kind of do a withdrawal. Okay, this is more of like in-app, play. Okay, so what confuses people is showing that you are actually about to reach the 1,000, and most people see here the payment options. But the truth is, all these are actually just virtual. Okay, and even if you reach the 1,000 and put your email for PayPal, or you link your Cash App, you're not really going to see any payment of whatever you have earned. And others, actually, you may have to struggle to reach the 1,000. Okay, it may really take you some time. But even if you reach the 1,000 limit, the 1,000 threshold, which is needed for you to withdraw, the app won't really pay you, because this is virtual money. I really want to emphasize that, because in this app, there's no way of you making real money apart from watching ads. And watching ads really can't pay you $5,000, 2,000. These are a lot of money just because you're watching ads. So approach the game just because you're going to enjoy the gameplay. Me myself, I love it for, like, doing like some few things in my free time, but not really to get some real money. It has ads just as you see here, lots of ads, and that's how they earn also money. So to you, this is maybe bad news to you if you are playing this app to earn money, because it's not really a money earning app, just games. Okay, guys, this is just gaming. That's what I can say. If you're interested in the apps that really pay, I'm going to leave a link in my description. You can check it out, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. I'll see you in the next video. I usually post also at apps which we pay online. So don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss ways you can make money online. See you in the next video.